Hello student, today's topic is algebraic expression. You had already studied this topic in your previous classes. On the board I had written an algebraic expression. This is 2x plus 5. What is 2x plus 5? Expression is a form from the variable and constant. Variable and constant. Variable and constant. What is variable and what is constant? We have to know these two words. Variable means keep changing. The value of anything keep changing, it's called variable. Let's take this example, 2x plus 5. The value of x and the value of this expression, depends on the value of x. If we put x equal to 1, actually we can put the value of x is any integer, any number, any natural number, fraction. We can put all these in the place of x. Okay, 1 2 3 dot dot dot, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 dot dot dot, minus 1 by 2 2 by 3 dot dot dot. This all can be the value of x. We put the value of x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Then what is the value of expression? 2 into 2 plus 5 equal to 4 plus 5 equal to 9. The value of this expression is 9. If we put x equal to 3, then what is the value of this expression? 2 into 3 plus 5 equal to 6 plus 5 equal to 11. The expression is same. Notice here this expression is same, but the value of this expression is different because of the value of x. Then x is called a variable. A variable is a symbol or a alphabet which value always keep changing. Okay, this is called variable. I hope you understand. And what is constant? Constant define itself already. Constant means remain same. Okay, remain same. Let's take an example. This is your school, this is your house. The distance between your school and your house remains same. If you take the same path. Okay, then what is the let's consider the distance is 20 kilometer. If you take the same path, then 20 kilometer is a constant value. This is called constant. Your the distance between your house and your school will not change until you didn't change your house. Okay, this is called constant. Then what is variable, what is constant? You have to you have understand this. Okay, what is the next topic? Next topic is terms. What is terms? Let's take an example, 2x square plus 3x minus 7. This is an algebraic expression, and 2x square, 3x and minus 7, this is called terms. 2x square, 3x and minus 7, this is called terms. And how many terms here? Number of terms. Total number of terms here is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, number of terms here is 3. Take another example. minus 7y square plus 7x square plus 2xy minus 5. This is another expression. Terms here, minus 7y square, 7x square, 2xy and minus 5. How many terms here? Number of terms equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Number of terms here is 4. Okay, and you have to remember this, the terms always separated by the terms always separated by addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Okay. How many terms here? It is only single term. Single term means one terms is here. Students always did mistakes about x divided by y. They considered it two terms. It is not two terms, it's a single term. Okay, and 2xy, it's also a single term. 2 into x into y. Always consider a single term. Okay. Next we will discuss factors. What is factors? Factors. You already had study in your previous classes. Factor of numerical value, like 12. What is the factor of 12? 2 into 2 into 3. This is a factor of 12. Same here. 3xyz. What is the factor of 3xyz? 3 into x into y into z. This is a factor. Okay, this is factor. Let's consider another example. 2xy plus 3x square minus 2y square. Then factor of 2xy equal to 2 into x into y, and the factor of 3x square 3 into x into x, and the factor of 2y square equal to 2 into y into y. This is called factors. Okay, this is called factors. Next is coefficient. What is coefficient? The numerical value of any terms is called coefficient. Okay, the numerical value of any terms is called coefficient. Let's consider minus 7xy square. What is the coefficient here? Minus 7. Minus 7 is a coefficient. Okay, always consider the sign. Let's another example. 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Coefficient of x square. Then what is the coefficient of x square here? The term is 2x square. The term is 2x square. The numerical value is 2. Then coefficient equal to 2. And the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? The term is 3x. The multiplier, the numerical value of 3x equal to 3. Then the coefficient of x is 3. Okay, this is called coefficient. Next is like terms and unlike terms. Like and unlike. I have written there some examples. 2x minus 7x, 3y, 3y square, 7y, 4y square. What is like terms? like we have to focus on the variable. If the variable is same, then the terms then we call the term is like term. Okay, then 2x is 2x and minus 7x, the variable is x, then 2x and minus 7 is called like terms. Another example, 3x 3y and 7y, it's also like terms, and 3y square 4y square, this is also like terms. Okay, the variable of any terms is same, then it's called like terms. And what is unlike terms? The variable is not same. Okay, let's consider 2x and 3y, they are unlike terms. The variable is x and the second term variable is y, it's called unlike term. Okay, third is and then we will discuss monomial, binomial, trinomial. Okay, what is monomial? Mono means, what is the meaning of mono? Means single, yeah, one. Which expression has only one terms is called monomial terms, like 3x 2y 5y minus 5y 7z, this is called monomial terms. Okay, what is binomial? Which has two terms. Okay, two terms. Let's take example, minus 5x plus 5 minus 7y minus 7 3x square plus 5y, this is called binomial. Okay, we have two terms in this expression, then we can call it binomial. Okay, what is trinomial? Which has three terms, number of terms is here 3. Okay, this is called trinomial. Let's take an example. Here the number of terms is 3, 1 2 and 3, this is called trinomial. Okay, I hope you will understand this.